Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the damage. Measure dent size, depth of paint loss, and any rust so you know what repair route to take. Once done, clean the panel thoroughly with degreaser and remove wax to ensure adhesion. You should block sand edges to feather paint. This creates a good bonding surface. Make sure to tape off adjacent panels to protect finish, and don your respirator because sanding and filler release dust and fumes. Now you apply body filler to low spots, working in thin layers so it cures uniformly and avoids cracking. Press filler into the shop primer or bare metal for mechanical grip. Once cured, sand aggressively with 80-180 grit to shape, then refine with 300-400 grit to blend into the surrounding panel. You should use a guide coat and straight edge to detect imperfections, and reapply small filler passes. You start final work by applying epoxy primer to seal and promote adhesion. Sand the primer lightly with 400-600 grit and wipe the area clean to remove any dust. Then spray base coat in even, overlapping passes, allowing proper flash time so runs don't form. Match paint temperature and pressure for consistent coverage. Once base is set, apply 2-3 clear coat layers for depth and protection. Cure fully, then polish to blend. If you see orange peel or runs, scuff and respray that section. Small fixes prevent larger rework.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.